In the world of modern architecture, a quiet revolution is taking place, one that embraces both sustainability and serenity. Biophilic design, combined with passive house principles, is redefining how we live. This fusion creates homes that are not only energy efficient but deeply connected to the natural environment, offering harmony between comfort, health, and ecological responsibility. At its heart, biophilic design goes beyond aesthetics. It's about nurturing our innate connection to nature, integrating sunlight, greenery, water, and organic materials into daily living. When we inhabit spaces that mirror the natural world, our mental clarity improves, stress diminishes, and our overall well-being flourishes. Passive houses prioritize energy conservation through smart design. These homes maintain optimal temperatures year-round using insulation, airtight construction, and natural ventilation. When paired with biophilic design, passive homes become sanctuaries, not just for people, but for the planet, achieving both sustainability and comfort without compromise. Today's homeowners crave more than just luxury. They seek balance, mindfulness, and sustainability. A biophilic passive home represents this new definition of modern living, where elegance coexists with energy efficiency and technology enhances, rather than competes with, nature's beauty. It's where architecture becomes a living, breathing organism. Sunlight is the most powerful design element in a biophilic home. Passive design maximizes daylight through large south-facing windows, skylights, and reflective interiors. This not only reduces the need for artificial lighting but also uplifts mood and regulates circadian rhythms, creating an atmosphere that feels alive and rejuvenating. Fresh air circulation is essential in both passive and biophilic design. Cross-ventilation, green walls, and operable windows work together to maintain a consistent, clean airflow. This eliminates the need for mechanical systems while infusing interiors with the freshness of nature, promoting health, comfort, and serenity. The materials used in biophilic passive homes tell a story of craftsmanship, sustainability, and connection. From warm timber accents to stone textures and natural clay finishes, these materials invite touch and authenticity. They age gracefully, reminding us that beauty deepens over time, just like the natural world itself. Plants are more than decoration, they are integral to biophilic architecture. Vertical gardens, indoor trees, and rooftop greenery purify the air and visually soften modern structures. In passive homes, they also assist in temperature regulation, naturally cooling the interior while blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Incorporating water features such as reflecting pools, wall fountains, or indoor streams adds a soothing rhythm to daily life. The gentle sound of flowing water calms the mind and enhances acoustic comfort. It's a reminder of nature's meditative power, turning home environments into tranquil retreats. In biophilic passive homes, every design choice serves a purpose. Window placements maximize solar gain, while natural materials reduce embodied energy. The architecture is sculpted to breathe, insulate, and inspire. It's where form and function merge into a holistic design that nurtures both body and spirit. Seamless indoor-outdoor transitions are central to biophilic living. Large glass doors, open courtyards, and garden terraces extend the living space into nature. This connection not only enhances spatial freedom but also strengthens our relationship with the environment. reminding us that we are part of nature, not separate from it. Modern biophilic homes embrace technology not as a distraction but as an ally. Smart systems monitor air quality, control natural light, and optimize energy efficiency. In passive houses, these innovations amplify comfort while maintaining a minimalist footprint, demonstrating how tech and nature can coexist harmoniously. A biophilic home doesn't only please the eye, it engages all senses. Sound-absorbing natural materials, soft lighting, and organic scents create an immersive sensory experience. Acoustic balance reduces stress and mental fatigue, fostering an environment where peace and focus thrive naturally. Spaces influenced by nature evoke emotional well-being and creativity. Studies show that natural surroundings can reduce anxiety and boost cognitive function. Biophilic passive homes, therefore, become more than shelters. They become sanctuaries that recharge our emotional energy and inspire mindfulness in everyday living. Luxury is no longer defined by opulence. It's about conscious design. True sophistication lies in sustainability, craftsmanship, and innovation. Biophilic passive homes embody this modern luxury, homes that offer elegance, comfort, and environmental respect without excess or waste. Simplicity plays a key role in biophilic passive design. By minimizing clutter and focusing on essential elements, light, texture, and openness, spaces feel both calming and purposeful. This minimalist philosophy enhances well-being while ensuring that nature remains the focal point of the home experience. From Scandinavian wooden cabins to Japanese wabi-sabi aesthetics, biophilic passive homes draw inspiration from cultures that revere nature. Yet each design adapts locally, responding to climate, topography, and material availability. This global-local synergy ensures that every home feels rooted, timeless, and regionally authentic. Beyond architecture, biophilic passive homes support a lifestyle of health. Improved air quality, natural lighting, and organic materials reduce toxins and enhance well-being. These homes encourage slower living, where inhabitants breathe better, sleep deeper, and connect more meaningfully with the rhythms of the natural world. Creating these homes requires balance between innovation and nature, cost and craftsmanship. Yet, advances in sustainable technology and growing environmental awareness are making biophilic passive design more attainable. Each new project represents an opportunity to shape a future where architecture heals rather than harms. As we look ahead, biophilic passive homes symbolize the future of mindful living, where sustainability and beauty coexist effortlessly. These spaces remind us that luxury isn't about excess, but about connection, to nature, to ourselves, and to the world we share. This is modern living reimagined, sustainable, soulful, and endlessly inspiring.